Good day once again, my highly esteemed viewers. You are welcome back to class. Don't ever forget my name still remains Israel Guy. Today we are going to continue in our series because due to popular demand that I should put it in little forms so that you can easily understand them at a glance. So today we are going to discuss this topic. The name of the topics are soluble and insoluble salts. That's the first one, followed by how to identify a precipitate. Now, soluble and insoluble salt. By soluble salt means the salt that can dissolve in water, while insoluble salt cannot dissolve in water. I just brought out some materials we can use, some chemicals to use for proper understanding. So you can see this. This is a blue salt. This one is copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6. Copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6. So we can refer to it as soluble salt. There are also many others. We have ammonium chloride, CuSO4, etc. The list is unending, it's innumerable. So let's add water to it and see what we have. You just have to shake. You need to stir. You need to shake it, not actually stir, just shake it. It has dissolved. We are no more seeing any solid inside. So this one is a soluble salt because it can dissolve in water. Let's try the other one. This one is lead 2 chloride. Let's see. Look at it. No matter how we shake it, it will never dissolve. As this in the particles under, they scatter, they come back. They scatter. So these are soluble. This is a soluble salt. This one is an insoluble salt. Soluble salt because it can dissolve in water. Insoluble salt because it cannot dissolve in water. Please don't ever forget that. That is that on soluble and insoluble salt. Then the second one is how to identify a precipitate. Precipitate are usually solids that are formed when we add two solutions together. One will be most often you have the one they call most often you have one being soluble, the other one will not be soluble. But the solid that is formed when you add two usually soluble salt together. Soluble salt, I mean when you mix the two of them together, like both salts now. If we mix them together, because it's CuSO4, CuSO4 and lead chloride, they will exchange their radicals. So a soluble salt will be formed and insoluble salt will be formed. However, we have something else to use. We have here lead 2 trans-nitrate 5. We have another one here, sodium chloride. So you see it, sodium chloride and lead 2 trans-nitrate 5. What happens is that there will be exchange of radicals. You now have lead chloride, lead will take up the chloride ions to form lead chloride, while sodium will take up trans-nitrate 5 ion. So you have sodium chloride plus lead 2 trans-nitrate 5 to give you lead chloride plus sodium trans-nitrate 5. Lead chloride is the solid, that's the precipitate that is formed, usually represented with X in chemistry. While this one is in aqueous form, it dissolves, you cannot see it. So it's in aqueous form, AQ. So let's see what happens. We add the 2 trans-nitrate 5 to water. I mean, we add water to it. Sorry. We need to stir. Sometimes it takes time to dissolve. So you see how it is soluble. That's dissolved. When it dissolves, you say it's soluble. Then the other one is sodium chloride. Let's see. This is normally known as table salt, kitchen salt, when you use at home. You see it. This one is also soluble. Soluble means it dissolves. You see it has dissolved. So we now mix the two together. Let me add it together. You see it? It has formed a precipitate under solid. This solid that is formed is known as a precipitate. In this case, it is white precipitate. You can see it cannot miss. The bottom, they are gradually settling down. You see the top, from here to the top is full of solid, while there is little liquid under. But gradually, the top is settling down to form it. See the precipitate is gradually forming, and there's still motion. Gradually, they settle. You have a thick layer under. Normally, in chemistry, what you do, sometimes you'll be told in your wife, filter. You not bring a filter paper, but that's not for this class. That's for another class. This is how we separate the two of them. So this one we have found here is known as lead 2 chloride, which is the precipitate. Lead 2 chloride precipitate. While the aqueous form, the liquid, the one that looks like solution on top, is the sodium trans-nitrate 5. Thank you, my viewers, for watching this video. Please, as I told you before, We are going to be presenting this one in form of series, small video like that, in form of series, because some of you, due to popular demand, I thought the practical some say they are too lengthy, but I feel the lengthy one is equally okay. So for those of you going for WAEC and NECO and GC exam, so that I see it live. However, you are all my friends. I therefore have to meet up with the desire of many of you. So this is all I can do. Bring it short. See, the thing is this settling down. That's the precipitate. It's settling down gradually. The top layer is already in liquid form. Thank you very much, or solution. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please, as my good friends, kindly help to subscribe. The subscription that keeps the channel going. And again, the subscription is still very low. Thank you. God bless you.